They say April showers bring May flowers. Not today. It's May 1st. Can you believe this? Oh, check it out. Those are slate colored juncos. Oh, I feel bad. I'm gonna send the dogs out here and scare them all away. So what I wanted to show you was the snow. And we get to see the juncos. Oh, it's such cute little birdies. And the snow is coming down. Now I can let the dogs out. What do you say? Do you want to go out? And you? Oh, there they go. Each going their own way. Those are my tulips just starting to come up and the daffodils coming up. Well, this is how we usher in May in the UP. So I'm sorry, I've got my umbrella, see, to protect my camera from the snow. So you're going to hear the snow hitting the umbrella. I don't have boots. I have my running shoes on this morning. I maybe should have put boots on. You're turning white, Samson. What's going on here? How can I do this so you don't see my umbrella? Okay. There, the umbrella is for the camera anyway. Samson and I are out on the trail and it's snowing out here. It's just so pretty. You know what the nice thing about a spring snowstorm is? Oop, that's my umbrella. Spring snow doesn't last. That's the nice thing about a spring snowstorm, right, Samson? Let me see if I can get him. I don't know. Okay. Samson, you don't want to see him like that. I've switched to my phone camera because that big camera is just too hard to carry out here with the umbrella and the snow and everything else. So the picture is not as nice. There's a lot of snow out here already. There's probably, an inch of snow on the ground. It's kind of heavy, packy snow. I was going to go for a run. That was kind of a bust. I can't see what's underneath the snow. And there's a good possibility there's a lot of ice under there. The run is not happening, but the geese can hear me and they want me to let them out. So I'm going to do that. I think at this time of year, we're all a little bit fascinated with the snow. Check out the cat. What do you see there? Yeah, what do you see there? Watching the snow out there? Yeah, until the dog came along. Dog. And this dog won't stay out of my face. She's right in my face. Oh, she licked the lens. Oh, she's not watching the snow. Yeah, she's watching the birds out there. Ew, ew, Lacey, go. Lots of little birdies out there. You're too close. As you can see, there's already a lot of snow. And this is heavy, wet snow. I wonder if I can pick some up. Wow. You want to build a snowman, this is probably good snowman building weather. Truly, that's, I don't know, but you can make a snowball. It's a lot of snow. Isn't it pretty? Everything is just so white and beautiful. But again, it's heavy white snow. Yes, it's heavy white snow. Heavy wet snow. It's just about 2 p.m. It's been snowing all day. Should we see how much snow we've got? Let's take a look. Oh, it's snowing down my neck. We are up to 5 inches. it's time for me to plow. I don't want to plow, but I think I need to. Okay, I guess I'm going to plow. I'm in the plow truck. The question is, will it start? Let's find out. It started, yes. I decided to kind of angle it. Oh, you can see all the dirt I plowed up there, and I even lifted the plow a bit. So we'll see how this goes. I might be stuck in my driveway. Woo! Okay, that's on the ground there. I really can't do it. Okay, I can't plow and record at the same time. Well, it definitely isn't pretty, but I can at least get in and out of the driveway, and it's still snowing. Oh, look. Ernie and Edna in the snow. And there's Erica. Oh, going the other way. Look at the little birds. Must be some kind of sparrow. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, it hit the door. But it flew off. It must be okay. Yeah, it's okay. She's watching. Aren't you, Piper? Yeah. The snow isn't sticking. I mean, it is sticking. There's a lot of snow out there. What I mean is it's not going to stick for very long. Let's try that again. So I went out on the roads. Oh, Samson's really excited. Hi, Samson. Yeah, you excited? What do you want? So where the roads were plowed, they're clear. Where I plowed the driveway, it's clear. However, our road never got plowed. So I was driving through that earlier, and yeah, glad I had a four-wheel drive truck. Oh, it looks better here than when we left.
Yeah, it's already melted.
Yeah. And then it gets worse. I am not in four-wheel drive. Push the four-wheel drive button. There you go. Push it. Yeah, it's in four-wheel drive now. I talked about switching our insurance to the car again for the summer, but I waited a little bit because I knew we'd probably get some more snow, and sure enough, we got more snow. Did you see that? I just spit while I was talking. I was told there's a deer out here, but I don't want to frighten it away. So let's see. Oh, look at that. There it is, right outside the door. That is so cool. Oh, and there it goes. What was that, Piper? The day after the snowstorm, and the road never got plowed here. Strange. It's pretty though. Sudden. Oh, I've been recording all this time. I didn't know that.